so very easy. My name is Laura, and I do have a hobby of handwork, crewel, cross stitch, and embroidery. When I do that, sometimes I want it in a hoop and I want to be hands-free. So to do that, I do have a little tool that I like to use and a little system that I like to use. The first thing is the tool, and it is this little tool that is a clamp that holds my hoops. So it is not designed for any one hoop, it's designed for all hoops. My hoop fits inside. So I'm able to clamp this onto a table. I do have a few tips on how I like to use this, and a really fun tip on how I like to read my charts. And this all happens while I'm actually sitting at my computer. So let me first show you this little hoop stand that I like to use. It is our very traditional stand. It has a clamp that we're able to clamp onto the table. The bottom of the hoop stand has 4 holes in it. So it doesn't matter if we're left-handed, right-handed, having it face us, or having it go in the other direction. We're able to use it in all 4 directions. This is 2 inches, so it's going to fit any surface that is 2 inches and less. It does have a rubber end, and we do that up just like we would any of these type of holders. And it does come in a nice box for storage. Now I have one because I am usually only doing smaller projects. But if you are doing a larger project, you can get 2 and put the clamps on either side. And to clamp our hoops, we're just going to loosen this little jaw. You can see that this is opening up here. And then that hoop is going to fit inside, and I tighten it up. So that really does have a good hold of my hoop. There is a little side piece, and we can undo this and turn it any direction we want and tighten it up. Or just leave it loose if you like to control it on your own. So we have the bottom we can adjust, the direction we can adjust, and the hoop size we can adjust. It did come with a magnet and some extra needles, but I already have this set up, so let me take this to my desk and I'll show you how I set it up and my little tip on my charts. So here is my desk that I like to work on, not only for my computer work, but for my hand work. And there's that little clamp. I'm going to be able to just put that on, put my counter here, and tighten it up. It's all done with handwork, so it really is easy. So I can just clamp this on nice and tight. I already have my hoop on. Now I can adjust this to the angle that I want. And now I have that freedom to do my work. So this really does save me from holding on. Now, the tip that I would like to share with you is the charts. And that is one of the reasons why I like to sit at my computer. These charts are rather small. So I scan them. And if you look here on this side of my computer, you will see that I have that one part, and I blew it up so it's very large. So now this is very easy to see. So instead of me looking here, I'm looking there, and it is big enough that I'm able just to follow it. At the same time, I might as well be entertained. So then I will have something else playing on my computer. So in this case, I have a movie. A lot of times I'll listen to novels or podcasts. I have my supplies here. I even have my drinks here. I'm entertained. I have good lighting, a comfortable chair. My project is here, and I do have more than one project. So at any given time, I can take this off and put my next project on. It's small, it's compatible, it folds away, and is quick to put up when I need it. I do hope some of these tips help you. And as always, thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I do have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a so-tacular day. Bye for now.